Here's the truth. Most people leave a video in the first 3 seconds. If it's shaky, blurry, or just boring, they're gone. That's 8 out of 10 buyers disappearing before you even stop talking. I get it. You're working hard, filming vlogs, making reels, running ads. You think it's fine, but here's the problem. That one shaky zoom, that long, awkward pause, it's not fine. It's hurting. People start thinking, if this person can't even make a good video, can I really trust them? Studies show that bad videos make people leave twice as fast. That means half of your audience leave before hearing what you have to say. YouTubers, that's 10,000s of your subscribers. Agencies, that's a $5,000 client choosing someone else. Business owners, that's money lost because your ad couldn't connect. Meanwhile, other people, your competition, are making videos which grab attention instantly. Smooth edits, clear sound, a strong first impression, and people trust them more because of it. It's not that your videos are bad, it's just people don't stick around long enough to hear them. Now imagine this. You post a video and people actually watched. That's 9 out of 10 viewers stayed until the end. More shares, more subscribers, more sales. Not because you got lucky, but because your video is clear, smooth, and actually grab attention. If you are a YouTuber, that's 1,000 more subscribers. A podcaster, that's 80% of listeners coming back for the next episode. A business owner, that's more trust, more sales, more customers. I know this might sound frustrating. You work hard and it's not fair to lose people because of a few bad edits. But here's the good news. You can fix it. Go to evokeverse.com and I will show you exactly what's hurting your videos and how to fix it step by step. Let's make your content work for you, not against you.